Let's have some fun with the filters option in the Photos app on your Apple devices. Now I'm on my iPad, but you can find it also on your iPhone and on your Mac. It may look a little differently, but if you look for filters, you will be able to do the same thing I'm going to demonstrate right here. I'm going to tap on the options in editing, so I'm going down to the bottom where there are 3 lines with circles in them. I'm going to tap it, and when I do, on the left pops up some choices. I'm going to choose filters. These filters allow us to change the ambiance of an individual photograph. So over on the right you see my choices, and I'm going to scroll through them. Here's the original, but if I want to make it more vivid, I can choose that particular filter, or Vivid Warm, which kind of gives a golden glow, or Vivid Cool, a bluish glow. Dramatic makes a bigger contrast among all the different colors in the photos. And I can also go Dramatic Warm to get that golden glow, or the blue with Dramatic Cool. You can even turn your photos into black and whites. Here it is in the filter called Mono, Silver Tone, which is a little bit different, and then Noir. And as I look at all the filters, I think I like this one the best. So try it out and have some fun with changing the look of your individual pictures.